Which keywords make ads effective? Tips to generate effective keywords that make your ads appear for your ideal customer. Effective keywords are the ones that make ads appear for your ideal customer. This article will cover essential steps you must take to accomplish that. In a nutshell, using keywords that have a direct relation to your product or service and also provide immediate meaning and understanding to your ad's message is what makes an ad effective. The best way to accomplish this is to create separate ad groups that are targeted to each of these highly relevant keywords, which are based on one of your products or services. Then, you can write the ad according to each ad group theme. Selecting the right keyword list for your ad campaigns are meant to help your ads show to your ideal customer when you want. The keywords you come up with will have to match those which will come from the potential customers. Here are some basic tips to help you create an effective keyword list to make more effective ads. When you're making the initial list, think like your ideal customer. Use terms and phrases that your ideal customer would use to describe your products and services. Also, write down the top categories of your business, followed by terms and phrases that would fall under each category. For similar keywords, you want to group them together into themes. Additionally, you'll want to choose the right number of keywords to use in each of your ad groups. Advertisers generally find that using 5 to 20 keywords per ad group works best. You don't need to include variations of your keywords if you're using broad match type, so you don't need to add all the possible misspellings or plural versions. Based on your overall goal, select keywords that are either more general or more specific. General keywords will help you reach a large number of search terms in a given audience. Specific keywords will help you reach users more effectively, as your ad will appear to only those search queries that are directly related to your ad's theme. Be careful of being too specific, as you might not reach as big of an audience as you'd like. But regardless of using specific or general keywords, only use the keywords that are most relevant to your ads and website. Last tip. Keywords don't often fail us. Rather, we fail our keywords. So if you have a keyword that's getting a healthy amount of impression volume, but poor ROI, you can have the greatest increase in performance through implementing the following strategies. Here's what you can do. Aggressively expand your negative keywords. Radically test your ad text and optimize your conversion. This could prove to make those keywords extremely effective in your ad campaign. A few other tips is determining between research type keywords versus purchase type keywords. So how can you tell the purchase intent of a keyword? Research type keywords typically include search terms like reviews, information, info, cheap coupons, and deals. Short-term queries generally indicate a user is further away from having intent to purchase, as a more detailed and possibly longer search query would indicate a user is much closer to their final search query destination. For example, a user with a search query for PPC keyword tools has a different intent than a user with a search query WordStream keyword research suite. In addition, make sure your ad groups are small with tightly themed keywords. Be sure your ads highlight your core keywords. Implement these tips and your ads should be more effective. Or you can let Yaghi Labs take care of your PPC campaigns. Because life is too damn short and getting your PPC campaigns right can take a long time. Unless you're Jim Yaghi and Yaghi Labs. No matter your advertising budget, we fully manage your traffic for you and drive hits to your website, leads to your mailing list, and profits to your bank account. This is primarily a performance-driven service. Check our fee table for pricing options. Learn more today at jimyaghi.com.